Yo, time for another reaction. Right now, we finna buckle up. You feel me? Yellow Child. We ain't buckled up, I'm parked. I'm finna drive once I do this shit. Let's see what he talking about.
Yeah. I told the shawty better buckle up.
Okay.
Yeah.
I fuck with the ad-lib. Look, off the rip, yo. Ad-lib game on point. I think Bullwhip said this shit time in the past, yo. Yellow Child ad-lib game on point. All right, let's run it back. Yeah.
I told the shawty better buckle up.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey. If she wanna rock with me, she gotta buckle up. You know the meeting spot, ain't no need to huddle up. Young nigga in his prime, ballin' like Russ. OG to the game like I'm Bubba Chuck. If she wanna rock with me, she gotta buckle up. You know the meeting spot,
Allen, shout out Iverson, bro. That's one thing I will say we have in common from that pig game horses from whatever you did years ago. Hey, Allen Iverson a GOAT, bro. I catch all his bars, yo. You put his shit in a couple of his songs, bro. Like switching over, had the game crossing over, like Allen whatever you said in your one shit. I feel it.
To the game like I'm Bubba Chuck. Yeah, I know the rules, so you would think that I invented it. No, you cannot chill with me, cause all my time is limited. Better buckle up and this gon' be a new adventure. You can either call me Yellow or suggest you call me Mr. I ain't bout to diss nobody. Just don't want you in my presence. Learn that shit from adolescents. Checking in like basic luggage. We just want a better life. Doing right, they think we thuggin'. People with no life, got no business. They ain't doing nothing. Rolling up, we puffin'. Having new discussions about the future. I be feeling like the savior, baby, hallelujah. In the way that I be shining, I should meet the jeweler. They don't measure up, so I'll forever be the ruler. If she wanna rock with me, she gotta buckle up. You know the meeting spot.
That shit facts, bro. Like, I ain't about to diss nobody. If we don't fuck with each other, shit, I ain't gonna be around you. I don't give a fuck what you do, man. Go over that way. Just fuck with that.
If she wanna rock with me, she gotta buckle up. You know the meeting spot, ain't no need to huddle up. Young nigga in his prime, ballin' like Russ. OG to the game like I'm Bubba Chuck. Dropped off from a planet, I ain't tryna do no dancing like the rapper. I might chance it. And Lil Shawty think I'm handsome, and this shit is off the random. Been on fire like a candle in the air. Julius Randle, knock him down and I dismantle. Wear him out like basic sandals. I ain't need to say a word, but I'm hard for you to handle. Might just leave this place in shambles, so I blow it up. Virginia mine, I throw it up, don't owe you none. And I do this shit for fun, cause homie, I ain't never done. Flying through the game like I never seen a jet plane. If you gaining weight, don't lose it all. Like Gucci Mane, all I got is family. Now it's time for me to stack it up. All that she got, I told her pop the tank and back it up. If she wanna rock with me, she got some in it.
What'd you say about Gucci, man?
Like a candle in the air. Julius Randle, knock him down and I dismantle. Wear him out like.
Oh shit. Oh, fucked up. But yo, you said don't lose the weight like Gucci, man.
Yeah.
That shit hard.
I told the shawty better. Like the rapper, I might chance it. And Lil Shawty. I told her pop her tank and back it up. If she wanna rock with me,
I just missed it.
Again, like a candle in the air. Julius Randle, knock him down and I dismantle. Wear him out like basic sandals. I ain't even say a word, but I'm hard for you to handle. Might just leave this place in shambles, so I blow it up. Virginia mine, I throw it up, don't owe you none. And I do this shit for fun, cause homie, I ain't never done. Flying through the game like I never seen a jet plane. If you gaining weight, don't lose it all. Like Gucci Mane, all I got is family. Now it's time for me to stack it up. All that she got, I told her pop her tank and back it up.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Cause I think you mean the same shit. Like I took it. The old Gucci ain't the same, bro. The old Get Money Gut Gucci back in the day, that was when Gucci was fire. Now he like, oh, he alright, I guess. He might have been cloned. Who the fuck knows? But overall, old Gucci, Get Money Gut Gucci is where it's at. Don't lose the weight. Like Yellow Child said, don't lose the weight. Yeah, that shit fire, bro. I'm looking forward to the next shit. I loving that flow switch. Yo, he killed that shit. Then the ad-lib. I said that from the jump. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. That's another one. So 100.